Two businesses with two very different ways of banking. The first business handles deposits the traditional way, by driving to his branch, but not before driving right into heavy traffic. Ah, yes, there was also that errand to run. A cheeseburger would be good right now. Or better yet, a double cheeseburger. After a few stoplights, he finally reaches his branch, and then waits in line. Good thing he got some fries with that cheeseburger. Finally, all done! And it only took half his afternoon. Now let's turn back the clock and see how our other business owner spent her day. She has banking to do as well, but instead of driving across town, she just reaches across her desk, where she simply and securely scans checks into a desktop check scanner that automatically deposits them into her company's account. This savvy business owner uses Remote Deposit Capture, our desktop banking solution that eliminates wasted time while providing quicker access to funds. It's simple, secure, and fast, freeing up precious time to focus on other priorities, like impressing clients and landing that next big deal. Free up your time with Remote Deposit Capture. Contact us today to get remote deposit for your office and start revolutionizing the way you bank. Get started now.